Which LED lighting should you use in a bathroom? What about a patio? Or under a cabinet in the kitchen? Knowing the Ingress Protection rating of these installations helps ensure your LED lighting will withstand the elements and continue to function reliably. We are learning why it matters with Ingress Protection. The Ingress Protection, or IP rating system, is a standardized method for defining a device's resistance to solid and liquid ingress. This system determines how well LED tape light and drivers can withstand environmental factors, ranging from everyday household environments to demanding conditions. Each IP rating consists of 2 digits. The first number, from 0 to 6, indicates the level of protection against solid particles, while the second number, from 0 to 9, denotes the level of protection against liquids. Today we'll focus on IP20, IP65, IP67, and IP68. IP ratings are measured through a series of standardized tests designed to evaluate the degree of protection of a device's enclosure against solids and liquids. The first digit in the IP rating, ranging from 0 to 6, reflects how well the enclosure prevents the ingress of solids. A rating of 6, for instance, means the LED tape light is completely dust-tight, ensuring no dust particles can enter. The second digit of the IP rating, ranging from 0 to 9, represents the level of liquid protection, with each level corresponding to specific types of water exposure, such as drips, splashes, jets, and immersion. This rating system provides a reliable and transparent way to understand how well a product will perform under certain environmental conditions. It helps ensure safety, durability, and reliability in everyday and extreme conditions. Let's look at why IP matters and some real-life examples using LED tape light. We'll start with IP20. This basic rating is suitable for indoor use with no water exposure and little dust exposure. Additionally, IP65 is ideal for environments where dust and water are a concern, such as outdoors where it could get lightly rained on or wet. As we increase the rating scale, IP67 provides robust protection, making it suitable for LED tape lights that might encounter heavy rain or accidental temporary submersion, such as pooling. IP68 is a rating that indicates an LED tape light is completely dust-tight and can withstand continuous immersion in water beyond 3 feet. This makes it suitable for pools, saunas, spas, and places where animals and people reside in the water. By providing a standardized measure of durability, IP ratings help users select the right products for their needs, whether for everyday use or harsh conditions. Understanding these ratings will help protect your investment. These IP ratings are crucial to preventing damage, ensuring safety, and extending the lifespan of your tape light. That is why IP matters.